There are several Agile practices that the Agile BA can adopt in order to create the business case. We'll introduce you to these here and explore each one in greater depth in the ensuing modules within this foundation course. The Agile practices we'll take a brief look at are Moscow prioritization, which refers to must have, should have, could have, and won't have. The other practices include facilitated workshops, iterative development and time boxes, and modeling and prototyping. We will also cover the lean canvas, sometimes known as the business canvas, in a separate video. The business case must exhibit a degree of prioritization, and as a minimum, it needs to explain what the project high-level requirements will be. The business roles can reasonably expect more than just the must-have requirements to be delivered by a project, except in the most challenging of circumstances. Let's move on to look at the facilitated workshop practice. This is a collaborative method used to gain consensus on the business case. Typical techniques that could be used in these workshops include PESTLE and SWOT analysis, which we covered in Module 1. More detail around facilitated workshops can be found in Module 6. The next practice is iterative development and time boxing. This process promotes the evolution of the solution whilst maintaining a focus on the business benefits that are outlined in the business case. The business case itself is developed iteratively. More detail around iterative development and time boxing can be found in Module 9. The last practice we'll introduce you to is modeling and prototyping. Effective communication and sharing of the key elements of the business case are critical in the success of a project. Modeling can help stakeholders understand what the project will aim to deliver. Simple but powerful techniques for establishing both elements of the business case and a shared vision are the lean canvas and product vision box, respectively.